Trust your feelings.
Heavy fire, boss. 23 degrees. I see it. Stay low.
This is Red 5. I'm going in.
Are you all right?
I got a little cook, but I'm okay.
Shooting wedge. Red leader.
This is Gold Leader. We're starting our attack run.
I copy, Gold Leader. Move into position.
We count 30 rebel ships, Lord Vader, but they're so small they're evading our turbo lasers.
We'll have to destroy them ship to ship. Get the crews to their fighters.
There's a lot of fire coming from the right side of that deflection tower.
I'm on it.
I'm going in. Cover me, Porkins.
I'm right with you, Red 3.
Several fighters have broken off from the main group. Come with me.
I've got a problem here.
Eject!
I can hold it.
Pull up!
No, I'm all right.
The rebel base will be in firing range in 7 minutes.
Stay in attack formation.
Squad leaders, we've picked up a new group of signals. Enemy fighters coming your way.
My scope's negative. I don't see anything.
Pick up your visuals, counting. Here they come. Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
If you picked one up, watch it.
Now I'm going to explain why there is no sound in space. Sound travels in waves like light or heat does, but unlike them, sound travels by making molecules vibrate. So in order for sound to travel, there has to be something with molecules for it to travel through. On Earth, sound travels to your ears by vibrating air molecules. In deep space, the large empty areas between stars and planets contain very little molecules in space to vibrate, which is why humans can't hear sound in space. And in the movie Star Wars, we could hear all the laser beams and explosions crystal clear. For a human to be able to hear something, it has to have a frequency between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz and a wavelength between 15 meters to 15 millimeters. And here we could see that the frequency on Earth is 20 hertz. The minimum frequency for a human to hear something is 20 hertz. And the frequency of sound in space is 2.0 times 10 to the negative 14 hertz, which isn't located between 20 to 20,000 hertz, which is why humans can't hear sound in space.